I've always loved clothes. I remember as a little girl I would draw like women in clothes. I think a lot of it started from like Disney and princess shows. I would kind of draw these like ball gowns. I always kind of knew I wanted to work in fashion. Ever since like 10th grade I said that I wanted to be a fashion designer. I went to school for art at University of Oregon and then realized that I was very interested in fabric and textiles, and I kind of wanted to like see that through. I looked up schools in Portland and Oregon, and I found Portland Fashion Institute, and I thought that, hey, this seems like it would be a great school. So my first class was the apron and robe class with Susie, and it was fun. It was weird to see how hard it was to stitch in a straight line, but it was cool. I was excited to kind of just like get better and see myself improve. I was very excited to be here doing it. I feel like I learned a lot in every class. The pattern making class is definitely very important. Like, you can't really do anything if you don't have that down. I think that some of the online like graphic design, tech pack classes were really cool. Just kind of like really getting the nitty-gritty stuff down. And all of the like Adobe Illustrator classes were really important. And then I think for like in-person classes, I really liked the couture techniques class, a beautiful class in general. It's hard to start like where you want to end up. Eventually, I would like to be my own like creative director slash designer for my own company. After this program, you're like, okay, now I realize what it takes to be a fashion designer. You can't come into this if you're just kind of laissez-faire about everything. Like, you really have to like be driven and like want to. And a lot of it too is like making a change in the world. Like, it's kind of like art. Like, art doesn't exist in a vacuum. You know, like, what can you bring to the table? And is this something that you are going to like really be passionate about and like succeed in? Because it's not an easy career.